Can you speak English Can you speak English តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេសបានទេ Yes I can Yes I can ចា៎ខ្ញុំអាចនិយាយបាន What your favorite color What your favorite color តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តពណ៌អ្វីដែរ My favorite color is pink My favorite color is pink ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តពណ៌ផ្កាឈូក Do you like coffee Do you like coffee តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តកាហ្វេទេ No I prefer tea No I prefer tea ទេខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តញ៉ាំតែ What are you doing What are you doing តើអ្នកកំពុងធ្វើអ្វី I'm reading a book I'm reading a book ខ្ញុំកំពុងអានសៀវភៅ Where did you go yesterday Where did you go yesterday តើអ្នកបានទៅណាដែរកាលពីម្សិលមិញ I went to the zoo I went to the zoo ខ្ញុំបានទៅសួនសត្វ What did you eat for breakfast What did you eat for breakfast តើអ្នកបានញ៉ាំអ្វីសម្រាប់អាហារពេលព្រឹក I had dumpling and meal I had dumpling and meal ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំនំប៉ាវនិងទឹកដោះគោ What day is it today What day is it today តើថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃអ្វី It is Wednesday It is Wednesday វាគឺថ្ងៃពុធ Are you married Are you married តើអ្នករៀបការហើយឬនៅ No I am single No I am single ទេខ្ញុំនៅលីវ Do you have any pet Do you have any pet តើអ្នកមានសត្វចិញ្ចឹមខ្លះទេ Yes I have a cat Yes I have a cat ចា៎ខ្ញុំមានឆ្មាមួយក្បាល What's your mother name What's your mother name តើម្ដាយរបស់អ្នកឈ្មោះអ្វី My mother name is Mary My mother name is Mary ម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Mary Can you try a car Can you try a car តើអ្នកចេះបើកឡានទេ Yes I can Yes I can ចា៎ខ្ញុំចេះ What's your favorite food What's your favorite food តើអាហារអ្វីដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្ត I love pizza I love pizza ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្ត pizza What did we study yesterday What did we study yesterday តើកាលពីម្សិលមិញយើងរៀនពីអ្វី We studied about good children We studied about good children យើងបានរៀនអំពីកូនល្អ How many languages do you speak How many languages do you speak តើអ្នកនិយាយបានប៉ុន្មានភាសា I speak 3 languages I speak 3 languages ខ្ញុំនិយាយ3ភាសា How is your hobby How is your hobby តើអ្វីជាទម្លាប់របស់អ្នក I enjoy painting I enjoy painting ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តគូរគំនូរ What is your job What is your job តើអ្នកប្រកបរបរអ្វីដែរ I am a teacher I am a teacher ខ្ញុំជាគ្រូបង្រៀន Do you like sport Do you like sport តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តកីឡាដែរឬទេ Yes I like football Yes I like football ចា៎ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តកីឡាបាល់ទាត់ What is this What is this តើនេះជាអ្វី It is a pen It is a pen វាគឺជាប៊ិចមួយដើម Who is that Who is that តើនោះជានរណា That is my friend Thida That is my friend Thida នោះគឺជាមិត្តភក្តិរបស់ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Thida Why are you sad Why are you sad ហេតុអ្វីបានជាក្រៀមក្រំម្ល៉េះ I lost my wallet I lost my wallet ខ្ញុំបានបាត់កាបូបលុយ When do you wake up When do you wake up តើអ្នកភ្ញាក់ពីគេងនៅម៉ោងប៉ុន្មាន I wake up at 6 am I wake up at 6 am ខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់ពីគេងនៅម៉ោង6ព្រឹក Can you help me Can you help me តើអ្នកអាចជួយខ្ញុំបានទេ Sure What do you need Sure What do you need ប្រកបណាស់តើអ្នកត្រូវការអ្វីដែរ How much is it How much is it តើវាថ្លៃប៉ុន្មាន It is $10 It is $10 វាគឺ$10 Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get more. សូមអរគុណសម្រាប់ការទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះសូមជួយចុច subscribe ដើម្បីទទួលបានវីដេអូថ្មីៗទៀតសូមអរគុណ